Hello, everybody.
Here we are with our Exocet in the garage.
Yeah, as you could remember, I'll put a time lapse in there of us bringing it in.
Yeah.
And yeah, here it is. It's a little narrower in like the pinch weld points, or the equivalence of that, than the body was. So we had to push the quick jacks in a bit, but it's sitting on there, and as you can see, this beautiful orange color that
we don't even need to paint this.
Yeah.
Well done.
So yeah, I think the plan is we're gonna put that like bed liner stuff on the bar itself, and this we'll leave as is.
Yeah, I mean, we're not body guys.
We're not body guys.
So we're not gonna bother. And I mean, with the whole thing being a tube frame, there's a shit ton of surface area.
It's gonna be a bitch to cover.
Primering and painting and then clear coating. It's just way too much work.
Yeah. So we're just pretty much just gonna put bed liner to seal it up.
Grab one of those like bed liner rollers,
like that Rhino stuff,
and that'll be that. I mean, this is a budget build after all. We don't have.
Yeah. We don't have time for a $2,000 paint job.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's just tedious with all these crevices. And
at that point, I think by the time we do that, I think it's cheaper to take it to a shop.
Yeah, so we'll go cheap out on this one and just roller and paintbrush the tube chassis.
But here, look at it. Like, as you can see, we need to jack the subframes up so that the struts line up better. There's way too much camber now without the subframe supported. But as you can see, this is the basic principle, and we're just gonna drop this on, and it's gonna be so awesome. Like, look at this. This is so cool. And here's the trunk. Yeah, like fits over here and houses the gas tank.
Yeah, huge shout out to Exomotive. They did a phenomenal job.
Yeah, thank you very much, Exomotive.
All the welds are just well done. I mean,
yep.
The packaging was phenomenal.
Yeah, and total hats off to UPS Freight. They just parked that 18-wheeler here, and that poor guy could, because at the UPS sorting facility they use a loading dock, so they don't have any problems. It's just smooth surface to smooth surface.
Yeah, had to get it down.
But that poor guy had to navigate that thing. It was like he was parallel parking a bus. But he got it down barely. Like, it was amazing. We had to take the crate dolly off and like hold the crate still on the on the elevator.
Acrobatic. Yeah.
It was a very acrobatic, with a 500 or 600 pound Exocet, like the whole crate and everything.
Yeah, I mean, build quality is phenomenal. I mean,
really is. I did some top-notch welds.
It really is well done.
I showed them the welds on the brake booster area.
On the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, just perfect.
Yeah, just like really good, and big welds from the looks of it.
Yeah.
And just very, very cool. Like, this is all very high quality welds. It only needs to be ground down in like a couple places. It was very, very high quality. And then
I think most of the places where they ground were like mating surfaces.
Yeah, they were mating surface.
You got to mount to the.
It needs to be flush.
The subframe, so it's got to be flat.
Yeah.
Just very, very impressed. Very well done. And it took 3 people to get it over and on top of the roller skate and onto the quick jacks.
And one of them was my girlfriend, so not like 3 buff people.
Better hope she doesn't watch this video.
So but 3 people. I mean, 2 people could lift this up, but stepping over the subframes, you need 3.
So just me and Greg walked it from
around the front to
into the garage essentially.
Yeah.
And then it took 3 people to
lift it up over the wheels.
Yeah, because it is a little tricky. It's a little bit narrower than the Miata body.
Yeah.
So picking it up over here, you gotta like step over the wheels and.
And picking up the Miata body still had the same problem, the fact that the wheels are in the way and the quick jack's in the way. So like you lift here, but you have to you can't pull it out more. You have to try to step over everything, which is a total.
I can see what you're pointing at.
You can't pull it out. You have to try to walk back with it, which is very difficult since there's a whole bunch of stuff in the way.
Well, all that stuff aside.
Yeah.
I think we're done for the night. We gotta throw all the garbage away
into the truck. Yeah.
Get all that stuff taken care of.
Not including the body. The body will go a different day.
Yeah.
The spare.
I think we just put that perpendicular in the truck. Strap it down. I've seen weirder things being carried in pickup trucks.
I have seen weird things. And actually got a spare motorcycle frame to throw into that Miata body when we throw it out.
Yeah, but I think we'll probably start tomorrow, the night after.
So tomorrow, the main task is going to be packing up all this wood, all the crate wood. We have to saw that up so we can put it in the back of the pickup and haul it out of here. But as you can see, this is like very, very cool. So many triangles. This thing has like so much structural rigidity that and we paid a little extra for the double diagonal here. The second.
Yeah, so I think
this
is the sport version.
Yep, the middle version.
Yeah, the middle. Yeah.
The top tier has like a.
It's It's pretty much like
a rectangle.
car,
yeah, it's like a Baja car with like a rectangle and then 8 pillars.
Enclosed,
but that was like what, that was like almost 1,000 extra, I think.
Yeah,
it was like 500, 700 or something.
We'll put a little annotation.
Yeah, we'll put an annotation here. But this one was like 200, I think, or something. Cheap.
I think it was $1.75 for it was an extra diagonal, so it comes default with just.
Yeah. So it has this and this. Yeah.
And then so it comes with an extra diagonal, and it comes with this support, like this triangle right here.
Yeah.
And I think it came with like an extra one over here or something.
Oh, the double diagonal then?
If you go on their website, they have a nice color-coded diagram of what chassis come with what, what supports.
Yeah, but we figured that the extra diagonal was going to add a lot of rigidity.
Yeah, I mean these are thick tubes.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how
thick. But it's thick enough.
It makes a pretty deep sound.
Yeah, it does.
It's not thin.
Mm-hmm. So yeah. So, next time we work on it, there's going to be cutting up the boxes, for the shipping boxes, all those wooden pallets. We're not going to make a video of that. The next time, though, is going to be jacking up the subframes so that these struts, the camber goes out, and then...
we're stancing this.
Right now, it's
two
stanced.
We're going to cut the coils and everything.
It's so stanced.
We're going to drag this thing across.
Ain't never seen one of these in a McDonald's stance meetup. So then we're gonna lower this thing on and see how it fits. Yeah. And like, this is one-handed, by the way.
Yeah, it's
like it is not that heavy.
Hey, what do you think? It's like 250 pounds.
250, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, no, it's pretty banging.
Yeah, so this roller skate is probably what, 1,000? We've decided. Probably 1,000 pounds because
probably.
The Miata was 2,000.
Yeah, they estimate 1,300 pounds. After it's fully built.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's pretty much in line, yeah. This is 1,000 pounds.
This is 1,000 pounds.
And then, like,
this is 250. And then we have, like, the wiring tray and all that crap that's miscellaneous, like gas tank.
Yeah, we have a couple,
miscellaneous.
we have a couple boxes over there.
Yeah, we have a whole bunch of boxes for, like, we have the windscreen over there. It's like a fly screen. And
No, so that's not the windscreen.
That's not?
Those are side panels. So you see these?
Oh, it's just side panels to cover the...
You see these tabs right here?
Gotcha. Yep. Okay, so that's where that's going to meet.
Yeah, so you just slide it right behind there.
Yep, so then we got some other, they gave us some brake line to go with it.
I didn't realize they sent us brake
I did not realize that either. That is very cool.
Good on them.
I'm guessing this is the hardware to mount the subframes.
Yeah, I think this is all hardware. Then we have fenders.
We'll do another video where we actually find this out because we got to look at it before the end of this week.
Yeah, make sure that we got exactly what
yeah, before we got everything, while it's still open. So yeah, that's where we are, and this is an amazingly exciting day.
Yeah,
I can't really describe it.
Exciting.
This is very, very cool.
And maybe not next video, maybe in a couple videos we'll get the TIG welder out and show you guys some welding.
Yeah. He's gonna show
proper channel.
Yeah, he's gonna show you the welding. I'm gonna show you how to look pretty while he's welding. So I don't know how to weld. Someday. But for now, this is so cool. There's a transmission tone cover in one of these boxes.
Yeah, one of the boxes has the transmission.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is this, and we are beyond excited. I mean, there was like an Exocet in my garage that we are going to build and race. Mind blown.
Yeah, it really is.
That is so cool.
I can't wait for the first day we
right on this. And the nice part is, since it's all tried and proven Miata, nothing's gonna break.
Yeah, I mean,
at least not engine or electrical.
I mean, we beat the piss out of it.
Yeah, a couple autocrosses.
Yeah.
There's really no.
Yeah, so when you co-drive, I mean, car takes a beating because it
doesn't
have really a chance to cool down. So
yeah. When you co-drive, it's like hot lapping.
Yeah, I mean.
Nothing. No problems. No temp problems.
Good old-fashioned 90s.
Yeah, good old 90s. Blocks, yeah, good old 90s Jap cars. They really have amazing. Yeah, they really do. Even American cars, they don't make them like they used to. They really don't. Yeah. The crap nowadays, it's going to be around for 5-10 years.
You saw freaking Corvette Z06 on Moto Trend, right? Kept on having overheating.
Oh yeah, brand new. The C7. The C7.
Was it misfiring because of overheating or?
No, it went to limp mode. on track.
I don't know.
And then they had the Chevy engineers there, and they couldn't diagnose it on track. Come on. So.
Yeah, I'm like a good old 90s Miata.
Yeah, just 90s cars, especially Jap cars, they will just keep going as long as you feed them.
Yeah, it's like freaking two JZs.
Yeah, just like
They're almost 20 years old now.
They're
still putting out 1,000 horsepower.
And they're still sought after. Yeah. So, yeah, these old cars. So, yeah, really amazing quality. I mean, this is all tried and proven. Since we're not building anything, we don't have to break anything in.
Yeah.
Like we were just gonna literally drive this there and then beat the crap out of it, and then maybe check the bolts.
Have it all on video for you guys.
Yeah, and then maybe check the bolts to make sure they're torqued because
that's
that's about it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it.
I think $1 per smile. I don't think it gets much better than this.
Yeah. So right now we'll put the exact thing at the ends, the exact spreadsheet at the ends. But right now we're at 13.5, I believe.
No, I think a little less.
A little bit
less. 13K so far.
13K. So we're about.
We had like 1,400 left in the budget, and the budget was 14,500.
Okay. So right now we have 13K right now.
The older goal
under 15. But yeah. So we have like $500 of buffer, I guess.
Yeah.
So 13K is like what total spent right now, and we have all of this.
Yeah.
Plus that.
Yeah, and we still have to, so the other thing is we still have a lot of parts
to sell.
Too.
Yeah, we have 4 headlight motors, tail lights,
Yeah,
two good top frames.
Yeah, that's all money you're recouping there. So.
Yeah, whatever we could sell. And selling stuff on Craigslist or eBay is not easy, but we could probably sell some of the stuff at least. And we both have huge piles of parts in our place, so.
Yeah, it's just a matter of checking that thing off the to-do list and actually putting it on Craigslist.
Which is not easy, but you
I'm
know.
just being lazy right now.
Yeah, you know how it is. It's hard to get all your ducks in a row. But this is so cool. And the quick jacks make this infinitely easier.
Yeah,
so,
I would highly recommend it.
Yeah, so if you have...
Actually, if you do your budgets right, you could factor the quick
You really
jacks.
could. So they cost about $1,200.
Yeah, and that's how much we have remaining right now.
Yeah. So really, like, this is a long-term thing. You can keep using this over and over and over again.
Yeah, this pays for itself.
And Eric, the car guy, I'm sure you know him. If you don't, I'll put like an annotation, a link. He did a review of his quick jacks.
Yeah, he loves them.
And he's a mechanic, right? So he absolutely loved them. So for $1,200 for how high they lift, and this is the BL 5,000 pounds. That'll lift like.
You can pick up a Hellcat.
You could pick up a Challenger Hellcat with this, and yeah. So for $1,200, I think this is an awesome jack that you could buy. It comes with a hydraulic pump there, and it's all self-contained. It's 120 volt standard wall outlet. So
we're gonna run out of battery soon.
Yeah. So I'll put a link to that video there. But the point is that this is infinitely easier. If you don't have one of these, just some jack stands.
Yeah, you do jack stands. It's fine.
Yeah.
That works. Yeah, just make sure you don't get the sheet metal.
Don't put it on the sheet metal. The box here. So that's where it's gonna be the strongest. So. Yep, just put it on there, and then that makes it so much easier because then you can lower it slowly. So, all right, guys, I think that's it.
We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Not next time, that's garbage destroying, but next time.
Really interested in garbage.
Nobody is interested in garbage destroying, except maybe the EPA. So today is July 19th, so that's where we're at. And thank you guys very much for tuning in. This is an awesome day.
Yeah, super exciting.
This is very exciting.
Starting to look like an actual car.
It is. This is like a car. So, all right, guys.
Yeah, we'll see
Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's Alex and Greg here, and today is an awesome day.
Indeed it is.
Indeed.
Ta-da.
We'll see.
Don't go onto the road, watch out.
Pokemon Go, bro. This is what just arrived in my driveway, as you can see.
Sort of looks like a
an Exocet. That's what it looks like. And it's literally in my fucking driveway right now. So now we're about to get to the U-knife. Got the U-knife.
I feel like we need like those, those like mayor scissors.
Yeah. Those big ass scissors. Key to the city shit. Yep. So we got big ass pallet here, along with a bunch of. Don't break that virginity. And then along with the shit ton. I'm guessing this is all body panels and stuff.
Yeah, that's all good.
Our wiring tray. Yeah. So, all right. Now we're gonna post a video, not a time lapse, a video.
You ready?
Of wait.
Put the punch right.
Hold on.
How are you doing?
Clean off the screen. I don't miss this shit.